last few days, I really have found a method where I can learn English, and that's thanks to EOI. Thanks to this method, I can really learn about a bit of English, and I'm very happy with that.
Thank you.
Can anyone with a good heart please help me in English? I am so tired to find everywhere and every hour about English. I want to learn English. Can anyone please with a good heart help me? In this sentence, I have observed my classmates in English, how their English is, how do they study and everything. And I think so that their English is not very well. So for this, I really recommend them to join the EOI project, because in my experience, these few days or few weeks of class was amazing for me, and I really think that it's helped me in everything. In the basic of English, it's like perfect. So give it a try. Just by giving a try, really you can do everything. You can't just say that without trying that you can't study English, because everyone can do it. So yes, you can do it.